The road that didn't move. Ethan once believed that growth would arrive quietly, without effort. He believed it would come when life became easier, when work felt lighter, when fear disappeared, when confidence appeared on its own. Until then, he waited. Every morning, Ethan woke up at the same time. Not because he was excited, but because his alarm told him to. He washed his face, drank his coffee, and left his apartment with the same thoughts in his head. I'll change one day. Not now. Later. His life was not terrible, but it was not alive. At work, Ethan did his job well enough. He finished tasks, he followed rules, he avoided mistakes. But he never pushed himself. He never spoke when he had ideas. He never tried when failure was possible. At night, he lay in bed, scrolling through his phone, watching other people grow. People learning new skills, people traveling, people building something meaningful. He felt a strange pain in his chest. Not jealousy, not anger. It was regret for a life he wasn't living. One evening, after a long day, Ethan decided to walk home instead of taking the bus. The city was quiet. The sky was grey. The road stretched forward, long and empty. As he walked, something strange happened. The road didn't seem to change. No matter how far he went, it looked the same. Same streetlights, same cracked pavement, same silence. He stopped and laughed softly. "This road doesn't move," he said, "but I do." The words stayed with him. At home that night, Ethan sat alone in his room. No music, no phone, just silence. He looked at his hands. "These hands can build something," he thought, "but I keep waiting for the perfect moment." And for the first time, he admitted the truth to himself. Life was not holding him back. Fear was. Fear of looking foolish, fear of failing, fear of starting and not finishing, fear of discovering what he was truly capable of. The next morning, Ethan didn't try to change everything. He didn't promise himself a new life. He made one small decision. He woke up 30 minutes earlier, not to work more, but to work on himself. He sat at his desk and opened a book he had bought months ago but never read. He read 5 pages. It felt uncomfortable. His mind wanted to escape. But he stayed. Before leaving for work, he wrote one sentence on a small piece of paper and put it in his pocket. "Become better than yesterday." The day felt ordinary, but something inside him felt different. Days passed. Some mornings, Ethan felt motivated. Most mornings, he didn't. But he acted anyway. After work, instead of lying on the bed, he practiced a new skill for 20 minutes. Instead of avoiding challenges, he leaned into them. Instead of staying silent, he spoke once, even when his voice shook. No one applauded. No one noticed. But the road inside him began to move. Weeks turned into months. There were days Ethan failed. He skipped habits. He doubted himself. He felt tired and wanted to return to comfort. One night, he sat alone again, feeling frustrated. "Why is this so slow?" he whispered. Then he remembered the road. The road never moved, but he did. Growth, he realized, was not a feeling. It was a choice, a quiet choice made every day. Slowly, things began to change. Ethan stood a little straighter. He spoke with more clarity. He trusted himself, not because he felt confident, but because he kept promises to himself. At work, people started listening when he spoke. Not because he was louder, but because he was present. Opportunities appeared, not suddenly, but naturally. One evening, Ethan walked the same road again. The streetlights glowed softly. The air felt calm. The road looked the same. But he smiled, because he wasn't. He understood now. Human development does not come from waiting for motivation. It comes from discipline, from patience, from choosing effort when comfort feels easier. It comes from walking even when the road doesn't seem to change. The road will always stay still, but if you keep moving, you won't. And that is how growth begins. Quietly, slowly, one step at a time,